In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix GO2bank login problem. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you plenty of options that you have to fix any issues attributed to logging into your GO2bank account. So first, for the most straightforward option and the one that I would recommend for everyone who is facing issues to log in is first visit the website or the mobile app, going to the login window, and in here, besides the option to include your email address and password, you will find this trouble logging in. All that you have to do is select trouble logging in, and you will have two options: if you forgot your email address or the option to reset your password. For this video, I'm going to assume that you still remember your email address, but if you don't, choose this option and follow the instructions. You will be able to recover your email address by including information about your card, such as the 16-digit card number, security code, expiration date, and social security number. Besides this, you have the option to reset your password if you still have access to the email address attributed to your account. So all that you have to do here is input your email address and follow through the process by accessing the link that is going to be emailed to you. This is by far the best way to fix any issues. After you reset your password, you will be prompted to sign in again, and you shouldn't face any issues now. If you are still having trouble logging in, even after recovering your account or changing your password, the second option that you have, and this one is going to be more advanced if you are having a lot of trouble, is to go back to the home screen of GO2bank on their website, hover over the help option on the navigation bar at the top, and then select Contact Us from the drop-down menu that appears. When you go over to Contact Us, you will find plenty of options to talk to the GO2bank customer support. You can either visit the help center to browse through specific sessions or chat with them. As you can see, chat support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and all you have to do is click the option to start. Alternatively, call them at this number if you would like to talk to them over the phone. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to talk to them and fix any specific issues attributed to your GO2bank account. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix GO2bank login problem. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.